What's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again. Happy Thursday. I know it's been a while. It's been a while since I made a video. And that's because, life happens. I'm pretty busy with work. And, just enjoying my life, I want to make videos when I want to make videos, not because of anything else. But I do miss you guys. I do miss posting content for you guys. So what I'm gonna do is, jump into the Bitcoin price, talk about a few things that's been happening over the last few weeks. As far as Bitcoin price goes, of course, we're gonna jump into the charts for Bitcoin. And I just hope you've been, stacking your Bitcoin because, as we've been saying for years, right? Bitcoin will be the money in the future. Bitcoin will always increase in value due to simple supply and demand, due to simply all the money printing, right? And, what's going on right now, I think it's very imperative that we continue to spread the message of, Bitcoin and Bitcoin tenet. I got no fear. So, if that being said, make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe. Welcome all new subscribers. Welcome all new viewers. Welcome. And what's up to all my previous and current subscribers. I love you guys. Thank you guys so much. So what we're going to do right now is jump into the Bitcoin price. And let's see. All right, we're going to jump into the hourly chart for Bitcoin first. So let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. Bitcoin. All right, as you guys know, trading is probably not the ideal thing to do if you're new, but if you're experienced, go ahead and trade and, make a little bit of money. But I recommend that you just, stack your Bitcoin and trade with a baby bag. Stack your Bitcoin, trade with a baby bag if that's what you want to do. You're an adult. Do what you please. Now, I'm using Market Cipher, and I do trade with a baby bag. And I use the Market Cipher. Link will be down in the descriptions to help me time my trades and to make additional income. So shout out to Crypto Face. So what we can see here is that we have red dots on the hourly. This is your money flow, momentum, and then we have, we had the news of the ETF being approved, and then we shot up to 30,000 and came back down. Fake news, but it is what it is. Now, right now we're at 28,740, and the highest that we've been is 28,938. All right, so the hourly looks good except for these two red dots. So we could come down a little bit, maybe touch the moving average here, 27.8, before moving higher. But let's jump to the 4 hour, check that out. I have on the Hakanashi candles right now, not normal candles, so Hakanashi just shows you the trend. So shout out to these candles. All right, 4 hour looks good. Green dot on the 4 hour. We got VWAP coming down, which is that yellow line. Money flows super good. Momentum wave up. RSI, stochastic RSI pointing up. So these are pretty good indications here. Again, we could get a pullback before going higher, but we shall see. But 4 hours looking good. I like to look at the 12 hour and the daily. So we got a green dot on the 12 hour. Green dot appeared on the 16th, which is Monday, on the daily, which is great. Bears getting clapped up. We'll check out Coin Glass as well to see what's happening with the Bears. All right, so let's see here. Money flow in the green. VWAP headed down. Momentum headed up. RSI, stochastic RSI looks like they are still headed up. So we'll see how that plays out. Daily looks good, and we'll jump down to the weekly chart. And as you can see here, October 2nd, we got a green dot on the weekly. After we came down to a low of 24.8, bounced. So, you know, if you had this indicator and you were trading, right? This is a weekly chart, so you would say, okay, well, 1 week, 2 week, 3 week, 4 weeks, so a month that you would have just went long, it would be up right now. So Market Cypher's popping. Shout out to Market Cypher. All right, so that's Bitcoin's price action as of now. We'll jump down to the 30-minute just on last time frame. We'll see what's going on. All right, looks like we got the red dot there. Money flow still heavily green. Maybe a cup and handle pattern. All right, so I just drew that possible pattern, but again, due to the Market Cypher saying red dot, I think we're going to sell and come back down to here. I'll send an alert. Make sure you follow me on Twitter, and then that way you can be updated with the alerts or set your own alert. All right, with that being said, let's jump right into Twitter, matter of fact, because I haven't been on here for a long time with you guys. So we're going to jump into some Twitter tweets. Shout out to my followers, all 10,000 of you guys. Looks like U.S. dollars were just minted at the Treasury, at the Tether Treasury. So once you see Bitcoin, you can't unsee it. Make sure you guys go check out my new book, or pre-order my new book, Bitcoin Dad, Fiat Dad, coming out soon, bitcoinfiatdad.com. I'm talking about financial literacy there. There it is. $804 billion global bank standard charter to launch Bitcoin and crypto custody service for institutional clients in Dubai. So this is a big deal because a lot of people in Dubai have a lot of money, and you know, once they start to buy in, you know, again, we have no idea how much of an impact all of these corporations, people, family offices, investors, all the wealthy people in the world start to buy Bitcoin. So we'll see how this goes. But shout out to Dubai and their global bank Standard Chartered. Shout out to them. Make sure you go check out Bram's Bitcoin for Millennials podcast. I just posted a video on my page as well. So make sure you go check out that video, subscribe to his channel. All that information is in the description in the upload that I just did today. We got a whole lot of debt, not enough money coming in. There was a video with Jerome Powell saying that everybody knows what's going to happen. Everybody knows it's not a good thing that's happening with the money printing, but guess what? They still got to do it. So lots of good tweets here. Make sure you go check it out. I think there's one more tweet I want to highlight here before I get off here and go to CoinGlass. No corners in, anyone who doesn't have Bitcoin when we hit 100K pre-halving. All right, so we'll go through. That's enough of that. Let's go to CoinGlass. All right, this app doesn't turn landscape, so I'm sorry about that. Let's see here. We're going to look at Bitcoin on exchanges, of course. In one day, almost 3,000 Bitcoin in 7 days. 28,000 Bitcoin has been removed. And in 30 days, 18,000 Bitcoin have been removed from exchanges. Shout out to whoever's buying. I got to tweet that. All right, let's look at the liquidation chart. Go to Bitcoin, or we can do all. 24 hours, 68 million shorts wrecked. 1 hour, 3.39 million. 12 hour, 37.46 million. All wrecked. That's crazy. Longs were liquidated here. Oh my God. Look at that. Almost 200 million in longs liquidated. Wow, that was just on Binance OKX 300. Dang, this is crazy. 855 million were liquidated on August 16th. That is crazy. That is super crazy. All right, now let's go over here. $136 million liquidated. So again, guys, this is why I say be careful when you're trading and trade with a baby bag, because they can stop. The exchanges can see exactly who's doing what, and they do this all the time, back and forth, and they will liquidate you. Bitcoin dominance is up. Let's see if I can find that on a chart. All right, this looks like a little flaggy. But we are coming down according to Market Cipher. Go back to landscape for you guys. All right, so we got a red dot on Market Cipher. Okay, but it does look kind of flaggy. Last time dominance was this high was in June. Let me mark that. All right, so let's go down to the daily. So 70% looks like the high here. Yep, oh wow. 73%. Let me mark this. All right, at least we know where Bitcoin stands for as far as the dominance goes. All right, so let me just mark off the support here. Ooh. I think 60% is the next level. So we're at 52%. So that's what, 8% more. Bitcoin dominance will increase, in my opinion. We'll see how that goes. All right, and that's pretty much it. That's all I wanted to pretty much go over with you guys. Bitcoin Chris checking in. Make sure you stack some more Bitcoin and chill. Went over some Bitcoin charts here. Went over the dominance. Went over the coin glass. Went over liquidations. Went over Bitcoin on exchanges. I hope you guys been stacking away. There's plenty of Bitcoiners out here dropping super dope content like British Hodl, and you know everyone else in the space. Of course, Max and Stacy. Shout out to them. Gentlemen of Crypto. Make sure you follow them on YouTube. And just make sure that you guys are staying up to date. DCA, stack your Bitcoin every week, and you can, if you can, and chill. Sell what you don't need and chill. And I can almost guarantee that you will be in a better position in the future than you are now if you just take time and delay your gratification and buy some Bitcoin. So with that being said, Bitcoin Chris checking out. Much love, you guys. I'll be uploading videos each day. I'll go over some topics that I see that that I find interesting, that you may find interesting as well. If you guys have any questions, concerns, comments, make sure you guys, leave it down below, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as I can. we're in a position where, and you guys are in a position where, you know, you have the opportunity to accumulate Bitcoin at a discount, because I believe it's not going to be at these prices for much longer. And then you're going to have people saying that, you know, we're lucky that we bought Bitcoin, and, you know, the crybabies are going to come out. Even though we've been telling everybody to buy Bitcoin, and at least to buy a little bit of Bitcoin, and they still don't listen. So we'll continue to spread the good news and the good message of Satoshi Nakamoto. Inflation is running rampant here in the United States and around the world. So if you do not understand what's going on at this point, we can only lead the horse to water. We can't make him drink. With that being said, Bitcoin Chris checking out. See you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.